Hi foodies, this is Chef Pete, and you know what? I decided we should have pork chops today, so I pounded out a couple of filet pork chops. Anthony will show you here. And we're gonna make a mushroom sauce, and I have beautiful fresh mushrooms here, and some onion, and I'm going to use a cream of mushroom soup. Anthony will show you there. Okay, and then of course we're going to use the egg, and I have made a Parmesan. I've added a half cup of Parmesan into our breading mixture of panko and some beautiful parsley and all of that. And so what we're going to do is take it, and what you need to always remember is take any excess fat off you like before you pound to make your cutlet. In this case, we're making pork cutlets today, and we're making them thinner. And then what we're going to do...
Before you pound your meat.
Before we pound the meat. In this case, this is pork meat. I pounded, right? Okay.
It smells like a deli in here.
Because we have, over here, we have Parmesan cheese mixed in with our panko and beautiful crumbs here, okay? All right. So there we have it. You need to watch the shorts. And when you watch the shorts... this is the long, so you watch the shorts. I've said this before. Anthony very kindly numbers all of them. So just follow the shorts and be careful because he's trying to come at me with the camera. And there we have it. This is Peter Carpizzo's, I can't even say it anymore, Carpizzo's Kitchen. And we're always here, but sometimes we are out.